next part that we are going to study is a very important part that is called as meter bridge. अभी लास्ट टाइम हमने व्हेटस्टोन नेटवर्क पढ़ा है. ओके, सो व्हेटस्टोन नेटवर्क का मॉडिफिकेशन मतलब क्या रहता है, मीटर ब्रिज रहता है. ओके, सो व्हेटस्टोन नेटवर्क का थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन किया तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, मीटर ब्रिज रहेगा. अभी ये मीटर ब्रिज इसको क्यों बोलते हैं हम? आवाज येतोय ना सगळ्यांना व्यवस्थित? आवाज येतोय ना? हाँ, okay. So meter, why it is called as meter bridge? Because it consists of 1 meter long wires. So this bridge uses 1 meter long resistance wire and therefore it is called as meter bridge. Okay, it uses, for its working, it uses 1 meter long resistance wire in its construction. It uses 1 meter long resistance wire in its construction and therefore it is called as meter bridge. Okay. Now what is the basic use of the meter bridge? Okay, what is use of this meter bridge? इसका use क्या है देखिए, to measure unknown resistance, to measure unknown resistance. To measure unknown resistance, you are going to use this meter bridge. Okay, let's see the construction of the meter bridge. Meter bridge का construction अभी कैसा है देखिए, meter bridge. Okay, construction of meter bridge we are going to study now. Okay, construction of the meter bridge. Construction of meter bridge. So in construction, first part is to inverted L-shaped copper strips. Okay, this is the part of construction. Meter bridge consists of two inverted L-shaped copper strips. It consists of in the construction. First part क्या है इसका? First part है two inverted L-shaped copper strips. Before two inverted L-shaped copper strip, first part is the 1 meter long resistance wire. So this is the first part. First part is a 1 meter long resistance wire. Resistance wire. So this is the first part. So this 1 meter long resistance wire is fixed on a wooden board. Okay, so this is the first part of this meter bridge. Construction देखिए कैसा है. Construction में क्या है, 1 meter long resistance wire पहले आता है. 1 meter long resistance wire, and generally material of this resistance wire is constant ton or magnanin. So these are the materials which are generally used for the resistance wires. Okay, because they has a very important property that with temperature resistance does not change. Okay, कांस्टेंट टन और मैग्नानिन का इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, इसका टेम्परेचर चेंज होने पर भी रेजिस्टेंस चेंज नहीं होता है. क्योंकि generally क्या होता है, when current passes through the conductor, heat is produced. Generally when current is passed through the conductor, heat is produced, and when heat is produced, temperature is going to increase. And if temperature increases, many times it found that when temperature increases, resistance also increases. Okay, लेकिन कॉन्स्टेंटन और मैग्नानिन इन दोनों मटेरियल का इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, टेम्परेचर बढ़ने के बाद भी इसका रेजिस्टेंस चेंज नहीं होता है. इसलिए ये जो 1 मीटर लॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस वायर है, रेजिस्टेंस वायर मतलब क्या, उसका रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा रहता है. कॉपर वायर लिया तो उसका रेजिस्टेंस बहुत कम रहता है. ओके, सो इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ, मीटर ब्रिज का फर्स्ट पार्ट है 1 मीटर लॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस वायर which is having length of 1 meter and it is fixed on a wooden board. Okay, wooden board पे हम इसको fix करते हैं. So this is the left end and this is the right end. Second part क्या है इसका, second part है two inverted L shaped copper strips. So this is the second part. Two inverted L-shaped copper strips are fixed to the ends of meter bridge wire like this. Okay. So on the left hand side there is one L-shaped, inverted L-shaped copper strip. On another side there is one more inverted L-shaped copper strip. So two, okay, so there are two inverted L-shaped copper strips are there which are fixed to the ends of the meter bridge wire. Okay, मीटर ब्रिज वायरच्या दोन्ही एंडला काय केलेलं आहे, दोन इन्व्हर्टेड एल शेप्ड कॉपर स्ट्रिप्स अटॅच केलेले आहेत. Okay, as shown in figure. Third part is a middle copper strip. Middle copper strip. A third copper strip is fixed between two inverted L-shaped copper strips so as to form a left gap and right gap. म्हणजे बघा काय केलंय, आणखी एक कॉपर स्ट्रिप काय केलीये, लेफ्ट आणि राईट गॅप मध्ये फिक्स केली. Left and right gap. Once again listen carefully, construction of the meter bridge. In construction, first part is the 1 meter long resistance wire. 1 meter long resistance wire which is fixed on the wooden board. It is stretched and it is fixed on a wooden board. After that, two inverted L-shaped copper strips are fixed to the ends. Two inverted L-shaped copper strips are fixed at the ends of the meter bridge wire, and a middle copper strip is fixed so that middle copper strip is fixed between inverted L-shaped copper strips so that two gaps are formed. Okay, two gaps are formed. One is left gap and another is the right gap. Okay, after that a galvanometer is taken. And one end of the galvanometer is connected to the middle strip. One end of the, because galvanometer has two terminals. Okay, one terminal of the galvanometer is connected to the middle strip and other terminal is connected to a jockey. Okay, other terminal is connected to a jockey. Jockey मतलब क्या रहता है, jockey मतलब एक rod with knife edge रहता है. Okay, so there is a rod like this which is having some knife edge. Okay, knife edge, sharp edge उसको रहता है, knife edge. That is called a jockey. It is connected with flexible wire. इसको हम jockey बोलते हैं. So next part is the galvanometer. Third part. Fourth part is the galvanometer. So one terminal of the galvanometer is connected to the middle strip and other terminal of the galvanometer is connected to jockey. Now this jockey is free to move on this wire. So jockey can be tapped or touched at any point on the meter bridge wire. इसको हम कहीं भी टच कर सकते हैं, लेफ्ट एंड से राइट एंड तक. Okay. After that, 1 meter scale is fixed parallel to this wire. 1 meter scale is there. From left end to right end, 1 meter scale is fixed here. क्योंकि जॉकी हमने कहाँ पे टैप की है, टच की है, वहां का रीडिंग हमें पता होना चाहिए. इसलिए क्या किया इधर, a meter scale is fixed like this, parallel to this wire. Okay, which we have reading from 0 to 100 centimeter. 0 to 100 centimeter. So it is a meter scale. 0 of the meter scale is matching to the left end and 100 of the 100 centimeter of this meter scale is matching to the right end of the meter bridge wire. After that, unknown resistance is connected in the left gap. The resistance which is to be measured is connected in the left gap between two copper strips. So this is unknown resistance which is X, and a known but variable resistance. Known variable resistance is connected in the right gap. Okay, म्हणजे लेफ्ट गॅप मध्ये काय जोडायचं आहे, अननोन रेजिस्टन्स जोडायचा, आणि राईट गॅप मध्ये काय जोडायचं आहे, नोन रेजिस्टन्स, माहिती ज्याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती आहे असा रेजिस्टन्स राईट गॅप मध्ये जोडायचा आहे. अँड फॉर वर्किंग ऑफ दिस मीटर ब्रिज, what is done, for this working of meter bridge, a battery, a key, and a rheostat, REH, battery of EMF E, key K, and rheostat REH, okay, are connected to this meter bridge wire. Okay, so for this working of the meter bridge, so this is the total part of construction as well as total arrangement, construction as well as arrangement. Okay, this part is as shown in figure. Meter scale is one more important part. Okay, तर मीटर ब्रिजचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन लक्षात आलं का बघा. एक्झामला हे तुम्हाला मीटर ब्रिजचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन एक्झाम मध्ये विचारलं जातं आणि किती इझी आहे बघा लक्षात ठेवायला. कन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये मी सांगतोय पॉइंट पुन्हा एकदा व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्या, व्यवस्थित सांगतोय. पॉइंट नंबर 1 कन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये, मीटर ब्रिज कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 1 meter long resistance wire. It is stretched on a wooden board, or it is stretched and fixed on a wooden board, and it is generally made up of material constantan or magnanin. Okay, next point number 2, two inverted L-shaped copper strips are fixed at the ends of meter bridge as shown in figure. Okay, two inverted L-shaped copper strips are fixed to the ends of the meter bridge wire as shown in figure. After that, third point will be a third middle strip. Third middle strip is fixed between two inverted L-shaped copper strips so as to form left gap and right gap. Okay, so middle strip is fixed so that left gap and right gap are formed. Okay, unknown resistance is generally connected in the left gap and known resistance is connected in the right gap. Okay, next part is of galvanometer. One terminal of the galvanometer is connected to the middle strip and other terminal of the galvanometer is connected to the jockey, which jockey can move on a meter bridge wire very easily. We can touch it at any point on the meter bridge wire. After that, a meter scale is fixed below this meter bridge wire. Okay, left end of the wire matches to the zero of the meter scale and right end of the wire matches to the 100 centimeter. Okay, 100 centimeter on the meter scale. Okay, for working of this meter bridge, the series combination of EMF, key and rheostat. For working of this meter bridge, series combination of EMF E, key K and rheostat RH is connected between the ends of the meter bridge wire as shown in figure. Okay, so this is the total part of the construction. कन्स्ट्रक्शनचा पार्ट लक्षात आला का बघा. याच्यानंतर आपण वर्किंग मध्ये जाणार आहोत. वर्किंग कसं होतं याचं. Construction of meter bridge is like this. Meter bridge consists of 1 meter long resistance wire which is fixed on a wooden board. Material of this resistance wire is generally constant ton or magnanin. Okay, point number 2. Two inverted L-shaped copper strips are fixed to the ends of meter bridge wire. Fixed to the ends of meter bridge wire. Okay, next point. Third copper strip is fixed between two inverted L-shaped copper strips so as to form left gap and right gap. After that, one terminal of the galvanometer is connected to the middle strip and other terminal is connected to the jockey. Okay. Next point is a meter scale is fixed below meter bridge wire. A meter scale is fixed below meter bridge wire. Zero of the meter scale matches to the left end and 100 centimeter of the meter scale matches to the right end of the wire. After that, series combination of EMF E, key K and rheostat RH is connected for the working. Also one more point is remaining, that is unknown resistance which is to be measured. जो resistance आपल्याला measure करायचा आहे माहिती नाही तो कुठे जोडायचा. It is connected in the left gap and a known resistance whose value is known to us, okay, that is connected in the right gap. So this is the total part of the total construction part. Okay, let's see now the working. So how the unknown resistance is to be measured, okay, that we are going to study. Now here suitable value of R and RH are adjusted. Okay, suitable value of rheostat resistance is adjusted. Okay, अभी suitable value क्यों adjust करना है, क्योंकि एक गैल्वानोमीटर एक डेलिकेट डिवाइस है. ओके, और ज्यादा करंट सर्किट में फ्लो होगा तो क्या होगा, गैल्वानोमीटर वो बर्न होने की पॉसिबिलिटी है. इसलिए इधर सुटेबल वैल्यू ऑफ आरएच क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. सुटेबल वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल आरएच मतलब रियोस्टेट. रियोस्टेट मतलब क्या रहता है, वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस रहता है. Suitable value of variable resistance is adjusted. It is generally kept high so that only small amount of current flows through the circuit. Okay, suitable value of RH is adjusted and a known resistance is connected in right gap, unknown resistance is connected in left gap, and key K is closed. Okay, key K is closed so that circuit become on. Now what is done, jockey is tapped on this meter bridge wire from left to right. जॉकी को क्या करना है, लेफ्ट से राइट तक टच करते रहना है. ओके, म्हणजे त्याच्यावर स्लाइड करायची नाही, लक्षात घ्या, फक्त काय करायचं, टच करायचं आहे. So first it is tapped at 10 centimeter, then 20 centimeter, then 30 centimeter, and so on. Okay, until galvanometer shows zero deflection. When circuit is made on, what is done? Next thing done, that is jockey is tapped or jockey is touched at various points on the meter bridge wire until we get the point of null deflection. म्हणजे मीटर ब्रिज वर असा एक पॉइंट असणार आहे. ओके, दिस वायर पे ऐसा एक पॉइंट होगा जहां पे गैल्वानोमीटर शो जीरो रीडिंग. ओके, उस पॉइंट पर, उस पॉइंट के लेफ्ट या फिर राइट को गैल्वानोमीटर जीरो डिफ्लेक्शन नहीं दिखाएगा. ओके, ऐसा एक ही पॉइंट हमें मिलेगा. ओके, so jockey is tapped on meter bridge wire until we get null deflection of the galvanometer. And when null deflection of galvanometer is produced, that reading is recorded. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर झिरो रिडिंग दाखवणार त्यावेळी जॉकी जिथं असेल, समजा इथं जॉकी असेल, तर इथलं जे काही रिडिंग आहे गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर झिरो दाखवत असताना इथं मीटर स्केलच्या साइन ते काय करायचं आहे, रिडिंग जे आहे ते काय करायचं आहे, नोट डाऊन करायचं आहे. ते जे काही रिडिंग असेल ते काय करायचं, नोट डाऊन करायचं. Now this meter bridge is nothing but, okay, so this is null point P, suppose this is null point P. Okay, so meter bridge is nothing but modification of the Whetstone network. So this network also consists of 4 resistances. Which are the 4 resistances? इस मीटर ब्रिज में भी 4 रजिस्टर्स है. पहला रजिस्टर X रहेगा, उसके बाद X के आगे कौन सा रजिस्टर है, X के आगे R है, कैपिटल R. ओके, उसके बाद इधर X का जो लेफ्ट पॉइंट है, कॉपर स्ट्रिप मतलब जीरो रेजिस्टेंस, हमने इधर थिक कॉपर स्ट्रिप लगाया है. थिक कॉपर स्ट्रिप क्यों लगाया है, क्योंकि थिक मतलब उसका रेजिस्टेंस क्या रहता है, निग्लिजिबल या फिर जीरो. मतलब दिस X इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस पॉइंट ना, सो दिस इज पॉइंट. अभी ये रेजिस्टेंस वायर है, रेजिस्टेंस वायर में A to P, suppose resistance wire is from A to B, A to P there will be some resistance, A to P there will be some resistance, so resistance of part AP will be there. Okay, A to P. और इस कैपिटल R का राइट एंड मीटर ब्रिज वायर के राइट एंड को अटैच हुआ है, तो इधर क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इज रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ पार्ट BP. Okay, so RBP, resistance of part BP, and galvanometer is connected between one terminal of the galvanometer is between X and R. X और R के बीच में galvanometer का एक एंड है और दूसरा एंड किधर है, AP और BP के बीच में है, इधर है. So this is nothing but a Whetstone network ना, and battery is connected here like this. Battery is connected between A and B. So meter bridge is nothing but a Whetstone network like this. Meter bridge is nothing but a Whetstone network in which left resistance is X, right resistance is R. Okay, in lower part left resistance is resistance of part AP, because this is a resistance wire. Resistance wire मतलब क्या रहता है, उसका थोड़ा सा लेंथ भी एक रेजिस्टेंस होता है. ओके, आणि हा BP हा जो पार्ट आहे तो देखील एक रेजिस्टन्स असणार आहे, RBP. पुन्हा एकदा बघा वर्किंग मध्ये कसं होणार आहे. वर्किंग, सुटेबल वैल्यू ऑफ RH इज एडजस्टेड. फर्स्ट पॉइंट देखिए, सुटेबल वैल्यू ऑफ RH इज एडजस्टेड एंड की K इज क्लोज्ड so that current is starts in the circuit. Okay, now jockey is tapped on various point on meter bridge wire. की चालू केल्यानंतर सर्किट ऑन झाल्यानंतर काय करायचं, आता जॉकी टॅप करायला चालू करायचं. कशावर, वायरवर A पासून B पर्यंत. ठीक आहे, जॉकी इज टॅप्ड सो दॅट वी गेट नल डिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर. कधीपर्यंत टॅप करायचं आहे, जोपर्यंत आपल्याला नल डिफ्लेक्शन पॉइंट मिळत नाही तोपर्यंत, नल पॉइंट मिळत नाही तोपर्यंत. थोडक्यात नल पॉइंट म्हणजे काय, असा पॉइंट मीटर ब्रिज वायरवरचा की ज्या ठिकाणी डिफ्लेक्शन किती असेल, झिरो असेल. ओके, डिफ्लेक्शन इज झिरो, अँड त्या पॉइंटचं रीडिंग जे आहे मीटर स्केलवर, त्या पॉइंटचं रीडिंग आपल्याला नोट डाऊन करून घ्यायचं आहे. ठीक है. Less than 1 minute is remaining, so therefore there is a possibility that the session is going to end.